Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today we're gonna be unboxing this Sony MC protector. The article number is AKA-MCP1 and it's for the FDR X3000 and the HDR AS300. And it looks like this. It came in a huge box and I ripped it open a little bit so I can open. Perfect. Couldn't go any better. We have a little manual in multiple languages and then a little strap. Not sure for what. And then this MC protector, excuse me, for on top of the X3000. Pretty easy. Looks good. Seems to be good quality as well. Shouldn't probably touch the glass on top here. I have to clean it after. Alright, wow. That was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and follow me on Instagram. And leave a comment down below. What is your favorite country? Came up with that just now. Alright, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.